I'm Kevin Templin.
And I'm Meghan Andrews, and we've been here 2.5 years.
Very traditional to what you'd expect from like a 1970s renovation. The current doorway was covered with wood paneling. As I was pulling down paneling, the opening was just there. They didn't remove it or anything. Once it was open, the doorway, the plaster needed to be finished, so it was a little more clean, and then the other doorway had to be removed and simply just patched it with drywall at that point.
The finished room is my study, and I love it. And because the archway matches other arches that we have on the floor, I was very excited that we were able to find a way to keep it and restore it. It kind of feels like we're bringing the house back to how it originally was.
Having it opened there makes it a more open space, part of the living space on this floor.
Best text I've ever gotten when I was at work, when he discovered, he sent me the picture, look what I found.